Welcome to our video on Frugal Living for Beginners, where we'll be sharing some simple tips to help you live a fulfilling life on a budget. Frugal living means being mindful of your spending and making intentional choices with your money so you can enjoy a comfortable and satisfying lifestyle without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big goal, or simply reduce your expenses, these tips will help you make the most of your resources. So, let's get started. Living frugally starts with understanding your finances and making a plan for your money. One of the best ways to do this is by setting a budget. A budget is simply a plan for how you will spend your money over a certain period of time, usually a month. Creating a budget may seem intimidating, but it's actually quite simple. First, you'll want to track your expenses so you know where your money is going. You can do this by using a spreadsheet, an app, or even a pen and paper. Next, prioritize your spending by deciding which expenses are necessary and which ones you can cut back on. When you have a budget in place, you can live within your means and avoid overspending. You'll also have a better understanding of where your money is going, and you can make adjustments as needed. So start by setting a budget today and take control of your finances. One of the most important things you can do when embracing frugal living is to cut down on your expenses. Here are some tips to help you reduce your cost and stretch your budget. Firstly, take a close look at your recurring expenses, such as subscriptions and bills. Consider canceling any subscriptions you don't use regularly and negotiating your bills to get a better deal. Small savings can add up over time. Next, take advantage of free resources in your community. For example, visit your local library instead of buying books or movies. Use public transportation or ride-sharing apps instead of owning a car. It's also important to be mindful of your spending habits. Focus on needs rather than wants. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's something you really need or just want. Delaying gratification and being content with what you have can help you save money in the long run. Remember, the goal is not to deprive yourself of things you enjoy, but to find a balance that allows you to live within your means while still enjoying life. Living a frugal lifestyle isn't just about cutting expenses, it's also about embracing a simpler and more fulfilling way of life. That's where minimalism comes in. Minimalism is all about decluttering and simplifying your life so that you can focus on the things that truly matter. By doing so, you can reduce your environmental footprint, save money, and experience a sense of freedom that comes with owning less. To embrace minimalism, start by decluttering your home and getting rid of anything you no longer need or use. This can include clothes, electronics, furniture, and more. You can sell or donate these items and use the money you earn to pay off debt or save for your future. Once you've decluttered your home, focus on experiences over material possessions. Instead of buying new things, invest in experiences that will bring you joy and fulfillment. This can include things like travel, hobbies, or spending time with loved ones. By embracing minimalism, you can live a more intentional and fulfilling life while also saving money and reducing your impact on the environment. We'll be discussing how cooking at home can help you save money and live a more frugal lifestyle. Eating out or ordering in can be expensive, and it's also usually less healthy than cooking at home. That's why one of the best ways to save money is to cook your own meals. First off, we recommend meal planning. By planning your meals ahead of time, you can make sure you're only buying what you need and not letting food go to waste. Plan your meals based on what's on sale at the grocery store or what you already have in your pantry. Next, we recommend making a grocery list and sticking to it. Going to the store with a list will help you avoid impulse buys and only get what you actually need. It's also a good idea to shop at discount grocery stores or buy generic brands to save money. Finally, we recommend meal prepping. By cooking multiple meals at once and storing them in the fridge or freezer, you can save time and money. You can also take leftovers for lunch, which is a great way to save money on eating out during the work week. Cooking at home doesn't have to be boring or repetitive either. There are many recipes and cooking styles to try out, and experimenting with new foods can be a fun and rewarding experience. By cooking at home, you can save money, eat healthier, and have fun in the kitchen. So, let's make cooking at home a regular habit and reap the benefits of a more frugal lifestyle. Now that we've talked about ways to save money on necessities, let's move on to finding ways to have fun without spending a lot of money. One great way to do this is by looking for free or low-cost entertainment options. Many communities offer free events such as concerts, festivals, and outdoor movies. You can also find low-cost activities such as visiting a museum on a free admission day, going to a matinee movie, or checking out a local park. Another way to save money on entertainment is by making the most of entertainment subscriptions. Streaming services like Netflix and Hulu offer a wealth of movies and TV shows for a relatively low monthly fee. You can also find free options like YouTube or borrowing DVD from your local library. Finally, don't be afraid to get creative when it comes to finding fun activities that don't break the bank. Try hosting a game night with friends, having a picnic at the park, or going on a hike. By embracing a frugal lifestyle, you may find that you appreciate the simple things in life even more. As a quick summary, we've covered 5 practical tips to live a more fulfilling life on a budget. Setting a budget, cutting expenses, embracing minimalism, cooking at home, and finding free or low-cost entertainment. These tips can help you save money and live a more mindful and intentional life. Remember, frugal living doesn't mean sacrificing the things you enjoy, but rather finding creative and affordable ways to enjoy them. We encourage you to start implementing these tips in your daily life and experience the benefits of frugal living for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please don't hesitate to like and share it with your friends and family. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on living a financially savvy life. Thank you for watching.